Yo, what up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded any video whatsoever, even gaming. But anyways, today's unboxing video is gonna be, like the title says, on the MAXYOYO Japanese futon slash floor mattress. This cost me 129 and 87 cents on Amazon, so about a 130 and then taxes and shipping if you guys want it early. This thing got here without Amazon Prime. It got here within less than a week, like 3-4 days. I forgot. I lost count, but it got here pretty fast. Anyways, this is obviously a new room, as you can see. It's a lot smaller, but I'm paying less rent and I'm living with both my brothers, so bachelor pad. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. If you guys hear that noise in the background, my nieces and nephews are here, so life. Anyways, let's get to this unboxing before they come in and kind of ruin my video. Alright. So now the reason I got this is because my futon is it's not a bed. It's obviously not as comfortable as like a mattress or a normal mattress or one of those memory foam mattresses or whatever new bed mattresses, like the purple freaking mattress. Anyways, I bought this so that I can basically take it with me. You could use it for camping. You guys could put it inside of a tent or the back of an SUV. My SUV, all the seats come down, and then I could put this thing in the back and I could just chill in the back. I've been to the drive-thru before COVID-19, been to the drive-thrus, pull it backwards, have a nice angle, open the hatchback, lean back, watch movies, eat junk food and popcorn and stuff laying down and watching the movie. Perfect. Nice and chill. Or a truck bed is the same thing, except it's enclosed. So if it's raining, it's good. If you're outside in a truck and it's raining, uncomfortable. Anyways, to be continued. So this thing came with its own bag. There's a company, MAXYOYO. This was, I guess, made in China. Enjoy your home life with MAXYOYO Japanese tamales? Tatimi or tatimo. Looks like an L. I think it's supposed to say tatimi. Anyways, I've been using basically just blankets, folding them in like a what's it called, long ways, and then putting it on my futon for extra softness. And then like I like sleeping on harder surfaces. For me, the mattress seemed like I was sinking in, or it's just sometimes it feels more comfortable laying down on a hard floor. Like if you ever do crunches or sit-ups or just lay down on a hard floor every now and then, it feels good on your back for some reason. Too much softness, it's alright when you're like exhausted or tired from working out, but sometimes you need a hard floor to lay down. It might be me, because I don't know. Put this bag there. Comes in another plastic bag. You could fold it, roll it up, whatever's pretty long. This is the twin size. Okay, so that's why it's cheaper. They have different sizes and different colors. I almost got the blue one because I like black and blue, but I want everything in the room to be like black and white, except for my gaming chair. Or I'm thinking of getting LEDs in this new room after I change or repaint the walls, like my last room, charcoal or gray. Most likely gonna go with charcoal, not black. This is just too much black and whatever. Charcoal, doors white. I need to paint the wall, the ceiling or the roof. Yeah, the ceiling white, and then that way everything's black and blue, and then black, blue, and white. Anyways, this is the mattress. When my futon is in bed mode, it seems like it's a perfect fit. It also comes with the mattress sleeve or the cover, so, and then it's a zip-on. Okay. Oh, nice. So it's gonna take me a while to slide this in, but basically it makes it seem more straight. I don't know, the mattress itself has like patterns on it. This is more straight. After I'll probably iron this so it's like straight or whatever, but this you could wash, put on the mattress, that way the mattress lasts longer and doesn't stench. I'm not sure if this is water. It feels kind of waterproofish. I mean, it says on the description that you could use it for camping and stuff, so it probably is some kind of Gore-Tex material. Anyways, this comes with it. Comes with the traveling bag and the mattress itself. So as you can see, I'm gonna stand up, get this knife out the way. As you can see, my bed, I've just been using cobijas, or covers in Spanish, to like make it softer. Now I'm just gonna rip everything off. And these are the pillows that came with my my futon. So it's on bed mode right now. When it's on couch mode, obviously it looks like that. I could probably use that mattress and sleep on my white soft cotton floor, or a carpet, I mean, and just keep this in couch mode the whole time. Or if I want to actually use it on bed mode, put these pillows right here. These could be my pillows, and then I'll put an actual pillow on top. But this, just imagine this futon, Japanese futon mattress. You guys know the title. Seems like a perfect fit for it. Yeah, perfect. So now with the cover on, it'll look better. This extra stitching. Yeah, it looks nice. Perfect for it. Yep. And then this pattern will disappear when you put on the cover. It's not as thick as it has in the picture, but it's something. It's more thicker than blankets, for sure. Might have it on backwards. Yeah, this is like the other side, but it doesn't matter once you put this cover on it. And then I can use my blankets as blankets instead of sábanas, or however you say it in English. Bed covers. There, and that's how it looks. Put my pillows either underneath or on top, and then put another pillow, or I could even put more cobijas, because I got a lot of covers or blankets and just put it on there, and it's even more softer. There you go. Or I'll just put it on the floor, keep it on couch mode, lay down on the floor. I got a gaming chair, got a bed and couch. I got everything. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time.